guys, it's Dick here again today, and today I've got a special package, so we're not viewing the camera like this anymore. From today on out, it will be in 4K, and what we have in this package is a GoPro Hero 8 Black. And yes, I have the black one. So let's check it out. Oh wow, so they've got, I bought this on Amazon. It's like this big old package with a ton of attachments. Well, that's a pretty cool case, just like all the other GoPros.
Is this bad?
It's not from China. Today is filmed in front of a live studio audience. Studio audience. That's why you don't drink beer, but let's check this out. So it looks like we've got, a ton of stuff. Looks like there's a windshield mount. Some other kind of crazy mounts. Looks like a little pocket sleeve mount. Oh, this is like an armband mount. That's pretty cool. And then this is just a whole lot more mounts and screws to hold it in. A clip mount. That's kind of cool. Strap mount. Oh, this one's like a body mount. There we go. That's so when I fight people, everyone can see it. This is the head mount, looks like. And a ton of adhesive sticky mounts. And it looks like some kind of dick pickle mount where I'm going to hold it out. It'll look weird. We're going to open that up right now. Okay. It's like a Wii remote here. Okay, this looks pretty simple. Pretty straightforward. I'm just going to try to screw some of the stuff in. It's pretty Chinese. This is a cool looking mount. Looks like there's a selfie stick in here. That's pretty good. Looks like a screw-on mount, but probably has a telescope. Oh yeah, it's a telescoping. It's pretty cool. Just kind of careful. I already feel like I'm going to break it. It is made in China. We have a couple of sticky mounts here, little plastic ones, a little bag, and a tiny tripod. The tiny tripod I feel like will be handy. That's kind of neat. So this will be cool. So yeah, that looks like what we have for unboxing. So now we're going to unbox this Hero GoPro 8. Hero 8 Black. And I've never owned a GoPro, so this is my first GoPro. Alright. That comes out the bottom, I guess. Small camera. Well, I didn't think it was going to be this small. Like, it's real small. I like that. I like how it's all... I didn't like how they used to have the removable lenses. I always feel like it was something I was going to lose. But now they say it's extra thick plastic that's scratch resistant. And I believe it. Some people don't, but I do. Alright. Camera's good. It looks like this little mount slides off somehow. Okay, there we go. I don't know if this mount is actually like a sticky mount or what. Okay, we got the camera, we got the mount, we got a little pin. Okay. So sorry this video is a little boring. I just figured to do an unboxing. Ooh. Looks like it's another little 3M sticky mount. Little battery. I actually ordered a battery charger and an extra not USB, but memory card. So it's got a bunch of pamphlets and information I'm not going to read. No one ever reads that. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. It looks like I bought a 128 gig Samsung Extreme Disc. Actually, I use the Extreme Disc for this one, but I have a Samsung one as well. This one's actually a 500 gig. I don't know what kind of space this thing's going to take up yet, so I just want to make sure I have plenty. But yeah, so this is pretty much it. I'm going to mess around with this thing. First initial thoughts is this thing is tiny. And I think we got to insert the battery here. Okay. Yeah, so we're going to try to put in this memory card, this big Samsung one I have. Everyone says use the door, so we'll try that. Just wanted to make sure it clicks down in all the way. Just trying to feel how it feels. Just felt like there was an obstruction in there, but it wasn't. Then we gotta peel this downhill biker dude off the back. Which obviously I'm incapable of doing. GoPro, if you're watching this, put a dab on there for thick people like me. I don't think we have any power. Oh, the power's on the side. Wow, looks like we do have some power. So that's pretty cool. And it looks like it's going into a loading screen. So yeah, that's pretty cool. English, touchscreen, nice. Works very well. I'd say touchscreen, I'm really impressed already. First touch. Wow. Jeez, that's crazy. Really impressed. Now I gotta install the GoPro app. So I'm gonna catch you guys later. I use my phone for my videos. Thanks for watching. I bought this bundle for like $400, and I mean, it's totally worth it so far. I feel like real impressed with the product. Everyone knows GoPro makes awesome stuff. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe.
Yeah, being sponsored.
Thank you so much for watching.